Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get a refund from Netflix. If you have made a mistake or if you changed your mind about it, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, make sure you go to Google and go to the Netflix Help Center. You can just do that by searching Netflix Help Center here, and make sure you click on the first website that's gonna pop up here. Here you can just describe your issue, or you can go down and go to billing issues here and click on this one. But the best way to do this is to just go down and click on contact us. Here you can describe your issue. However, you can just then click here, and then you get to see this button. Make sure you click on one of these. You can call them or you can chat with them. It's up to you, and you can choose which one is best for you. Here, click on chat with an agent. Then you can describe your problem here. Then they can help you with that very fast. This is the most effective way to do this. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.